This is Julie. She's the type of chick who, well, you really shouldn't date unless you're into psychos, as Julie's last boyfriend found out when he broke up with her and she went to his work and smashed all the windows and do all the things that psycho exes do, including, in her genius, waiting till the police got there so she could carry on being even more of a psycho. So they gave her bail and conditions, and one of them was not to take any drugs because it might make her mentaler, and, well, here we are.
Is there a reason why she hasn't been going to community corrections?
I was sick. I was in hospital.
No, I understand that, but January 10th, she tested negative. January 19th, she missed. January 24th, she comes in, tests positive for THC. And then she misses February 7th and then misses February 9th. She hasn't been testing. And it looks like some games are being played with community correction.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, and all of those in between, what Judge Simpson has just said there is that this now identifies this chick, Julie, Norm's mum. Why is she Norm's mum? Because she's a psycho bitch. But what Judge Simpson just said then, in regards to those dates, that's what makes this DC spell her genius with a J.
She was at a party and had 2 marijuana-laced cookies. Yeah. So she had the marijuana cookies on which day?
I ate the cookies before I was arrested, a couple days before that.
Ma'am, you have laced cookies. Take a test. It shows up negative. But 14 days later, then you take a test, and that's when it shows up in your system.
Judge is saying that it should have showed up immediately. That's what he's suggesting.
Okay.
So he wants to know how is that possible.
I don't know.
You know what Judge Simpson is thinking right now? He's thinking the same as you're thinking, the same way I'm thinking. He's thinking that this chick's a fucking genius.
Okay, look, here's the thing. I'm going to give you my copy of the report. She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box, and I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way.
Right.
So now the smooth dude's going to take Norm's mum away and tell her to tell the truth. And the weird thing is that now she's got to come back into court and say, oh, yeah, I was lying. Yeah, my genius plan didn't work and I, should have put more thought into it. Of course you should. Of course you should.
In going through the report with Ms. Wapachan, I do have some corrections. She does.
Oh, so now she's going to tell the truth.
Yes, Judge.
And what's going through Judge Simpson's mind right now is the same as what's going through your mind. It's the same as what's going through mine. And that is, oh God, she is a fucking genius.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. She has, in fact, been using marijuana, and that is why she has failed to make her testing dates, Judge. She indicates that she knew she was going to be positive from the cookie, and she knew that subsequently she'd be positive from actual smoking of marijuana. She indicates that she does not have an addiction and that she can stop smoking, but that she had not stopped at this point.
You notice how she's not saying anything, and that's because she has not thought of any of it. It's just a defense liar, but that is why you pay them.
And she takes responsibility. She apologizes.
So she just decided that she just was going to do it her way.
She did, Judge. She did.
The court gave her an order.
Yes, Judge.
And she decides that she just wants to not follow the court's order.
Yes, Judge.
Then she gets here, gets called on it when she was up here initially, and then it's just lying to me.
Yes, Judge.
You see, that's why you pay them. That's why this guy's smooth, this defense lawyer, because he just said all of that, and all of that was really bad, but he's taking accountability for it when you hear him say it. Not her, him. And that's why you pay them.
I apologize, Your Honor.
You don't lie to the court, ma'am. You just don't. I'll deal with the truth. We can work that out. But if you're going to sit here and lie to me, then that's going to be a problem and you're going to pay a consequence for that. And lady, you're going to have to figure out how you want to do this. You got to follow the rules. And the most important thing is you don't lie to me.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked pending a hearing on March 7th. Defendant's remanded.
And that's why he's Judge Simpson, baby. He just hates Norm's mum. So Norm's mum sits in jail for about a month and then has the hearing, and Judge Simpson says, okay, we'll let you out for the sign for $25,000, Norm's mum, and she posted it. And anyway, in the end, she ended up pleading guilty to one of the charges of bashing the cops, and the rest of the stuff were dropped. And as for her boyfriend, he mysteriously ended up.
I don't mind going to take a test right now. I just
Ship had
couldn't
sailed,
go.
Mr. Morales. Gave you the opportunity. That ship sailed.
I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
Morales, Judge. It's a probation on a DWI. There's an MRP. You sent him for a drug test. He wasn't able to take the drug
I'm
test.
revoking his bond. Come up, Mr. Morales.
Judge, he is forthright. When he left here to go take the drug test, he asked for the number for a recovery coach. So we
I don't know. I ordered him to go take a drug test. You failed to do it. You didn't do it. There are consequences for action, dude.
I went. I just couldn't go.
he was there. He just couldn't.
I
use
stayed
the
till
bathroom.
5 o'clock.
They give you water. There's no reason why you can't go. I had a lady the other day, she had 5 bottles of water to be able to go. She was there for 4 hours. There's no reason why you can't.
I asked for water. They told me there's a water fountain that didn't really work on the 5th floor.
Judge, we know what the outcome of the drug test is going to be. He has not, he's been forthcoming with me from day one about that. And he does have probation in writ court pending as well. And I
He's still using Kavita. It's unacceptable. And I can't just let him go because he's just going to continue to use. He's going to continue to do what he wants to do. And it doesn't work like that. You've done nothing on your probation. I ordered you to go take a drug test. You didn't do it. There are consequences to action. And he now goes with you.
I understand, Judge, he is possibly going to go to SATIF on writ court.
I think that's exactly what we need. No, that's what we need. And I'm going to tell you now, I will not let you go. I can keep you for the next 3 years until you come clean. We will continue to dance together. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
With you?
I'm not running from anything. I mean, I don't mind going to take a test right now. I just
Ship had
couldn't
sailed,
go.
Mr. Morales. Gave you the opportunity. That ship sailed. I gave you the opportunity on this DWI. I've given you multiple chances. You have literally done 0 while you've been on this probation. So, you want a back rub too?
I'm not asking for any leniency.
In life, when you put your heart and soul into it, you can achieve damn near anything. That's what's so great about this country. You don't live in other places where you don't even have internet. You can do anything you want. Mind over matter. I've given you chance, I've given you after chance, and you've repeatedly failed and you continue to use. Now I do it my way. It goes with you. Sorry, Kavita.
Judge, he's probably going to go through his treatment in SATIF. There's some pending stuff that they're waiting to get him into that program.
Yeah.
And I'll follow up with the family probation as well. In regards to his probation here, if he goes to SATIF, are you going to unsat term him?
No. I'm keeping him. I want to know how the SATF goes. And then I want to continue with the aftercare. Because he'll go to SATF for however long it is, assuming he completes his successfully does it, he gets into aftercare and we maintain hands on him until aftercare is completed. If he completes it, if he doesn't, right back to SATF once again. We just did it with someone else, right? And we're gonna continue to do it until he's clean. We're gonna beat it. One beats the right in.
But I take it I can't work something out with the state. Thank you, Judge.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe as I edit these cases and remove all of the mundane, boring, repetitive stuff. And I even remove the silences, so you get only the juicy bits, which I think are always the best bits. Are looking for another episode that has all the boring stuff cut out and gives you just the good stuff, then here a couple that may interest you. Enjoy.